Hello my lovely people, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, feel at home, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. What you're doing is great. I really do appreciate you. Yeah, thank you for being around and keeping this channel active. And yes, I would lovely to say thank you to everyone who is still new here on my channel and you've been consistently watching my videos. That is also great. So today's video I'm going to be taking you through on ways you can prevent a toothache, or if you're having a tooth problem, any tooth problem like cavity, sensitivity, tartar, what else, plague, yeah, what else, yeah, tell me what else I'm leaving out. Anyways, yeah, so if you're having any tooth pain or toothache pain, yes, if you're having any toothache pain, I'm going to be giving you ways on how you can relieve the tooth. Why remove your teeth when there are natural ways on how you can prevent and cure all the tooth mouth problems with natural remedies? And I guarantee you that these remedies do work as long as you do it the right way. Yeah, the technique here, just do it the right way. So when it comes to people who have holes in their teeth, those with bleeding gums, those with leg issues, those with sensitivity issues, those with tartar, those with cavity, yeah, so there are always natural ways on how you can go about it, but you can only visit a dentist when the issue is not small. You're getting it? Yeah, so I don't want you to substitute my remedies with the doctor's program, right? Our first remedy, we are going to be talking about guava leaves. These are mapera leaves, yes, ebikola bya mapera. These guava leaves have anti-inflammatory properties that helps to cure wounds if you're having wounds in your mouth, and they also have antimicrobial properties that aids in oral care. Yeah, so if you're having any toothache or a tooth hole, the first thing to do is grab your guava leaves, place them under where you feel the pain, where the effect is, and try to chew, because now the properties in the guava leaves will help you relieve the pain. Yes, immediately, like not immediately, but it will take like 10 to 5 minutes, yeah, until you feel like now the pain is no more, or it's there but not as much as it was at first. Then the next thing is you're going to get guava leaves. Don't mind about my curtain. Yeah, this is how sometimes our ancestors are not happy with our development, so they always want to intervene in our businesses, but this does not mean that the video is going to stop. Anyways, so the next thing is still these guava leaves. You can get them, grind them, yes, in a powdered format, or you can scrunch them. Yeah, scratching is okukunya. You can scrunch them, then after you place them in the water and boil them for 10 minutes. Then you can use that water as your mouthwash for like a week. Yeah, you can be preparing them every single day. Remember, you have to keep warming them so that they don't get spoiled. This remedy is peppermint. Peppermint, they have pathogens, so this helps to kill the bacteria in your mouth. So peppermint bags, peppermint bags, they are like tea leaves, yeah. So after using them, you can get that tea bag and place it under where you're feeling pain, yeah. So where you feel pain, and you can leave it for 5 minutes and until when you feel like the pain is going or relieving somehow. My next remedy is using salt water. I know this is not the first time you're hearing about it, but yes, we don't all do it anyway. So salt water, it has antibacterial properties which aids in healing wounds if you're having wounds in your mouth. And the second thing, you can use it as your mouthwash after brushing. If you're having bleeding gums, I'll advise you to use salt water after brushing your teeth. This will help protect your teeth and also increase minerals in your teeth. Yes, so the only thing that you have to do is, of course, you have to get some warm water and mix in like some reasonable salt. Then you mix it very well and you start gulping for like a minute. Then you spit out that water. Yeah, so this will help you protect your teeth from any bacteria. My other remedy is aloe vera gel. Get fresh aloe vera gel straight from the garden. This time around, don't think about any other processed aloe vera gel. This must be straight from the garden. Yes, so get this aloe vera gel, place it under the tooth where you feel the pain. You can use a toothpick, or you can use what else? You can use a cotton ball to damp and clean that place. You place that aloe vera gel under that tooth. This will help you also protect your dental from bacteria, because aloe vera has antiseptic properties in it. Yeah, so using aloe vera gel as your dental oral care remedy, it is really good, and it protects your teeth from all the teeth infection. Yeah, if you're having like one tooth, of course, yeah, but if you're having problems all over the mouth, yeah, still you can rub that aloe vera. Yeah, it will also help you protect your gum. And my next remedy is using cloves. Yes, cloves. If you don't know how to make clove oil, I think I should do a video about how to make clove oil. Yeah, you can get clove oil or you can buy it. It is there in supermarkets, like in natural beauty shops. Yeah, you can always find it there. The only thing you need to use is just get a cotton ball, then you start swabbing around, or you just get a cotton ball, you dip it into that oil and you place it where you feel the pain, where there is a hole. It's where you put that clove oil. This will surely help you also reduce the pain. It acts as a painkiller anyway. Yeah, and another way on how you can also use, there is thyme. You can also get thyme oil. You can also get ginger oil. Or no, if not ginger oil, you can get ginger root itself. You just cut a small piece and place it where you feel pain, or you can chew the ginger around the affected area where you feel the pain. It's where you place your ginger. And yes, I have videos about teeth whitening, and all these remedies that I placed in those videos, trust me, they are, what can I say, they are effective. So if you're looking on ways on how you can have mouth-free problems or issues concerning infections, decaying, tooth decay, and also cavity, sensitivity, tartar, yeah, name them all. Don't neglect these videos, and by the way, you shouldn't. My other remedy is garlic. Yeah, I know to some of you who were aware of these remedies, you're like, she's not talking about garlic. Hey, garlic has antibacterial properties in it. It is great when it comes to dental care. The only thing you need to do is get one piece of garlic, grind it, and then place it where you feel the pain. Yeah, place it where you feel the pain. Leave it for 5 to 10 minutes until you feel like the pain is no more. Yeah, so these natural remedies that I've given you will surely help you if you're having when it comes to relieving tooth pains, toothache pains, if you're having bleeding gums, if you're having sensitivity issues, if you're having cavity issues, if you're having, name them all. So just help me do these remedies, and don't forget to come to my comment section and actually not say anything, but tell me what remedy did you choose to use when it comes to your oral care or dental care routine. This remedy is using OTC painkillers. These include ibuprofen, naproxen. These should be able to help you reduce the pain. And if a patient is over 16 years, please substitute it with aspirin. Yes, aspirin will also help you relieve the tooth pain. Yeah, so guys, thank you for watching. Really, if you have anything, or if you've ever used one of these remedies, please leave the comment under the comment section down below. And if you are new here, please do subscribe and invite your friends. Share this video if you know anyone who is having tooth issues or teeth issues or mouth issues. Yes, just invite them to my channel. And hey, don't forget to watch this video here. Yeah, so let's meet in this video. Until next time, stay blessed. Bye bye.